Arpit. Today we are going to install the PostgreSQL and pgAdmin4. We need both the software uh, to uh, to implement the database concept, and the PostgreSQL is the SQL Server setup, and to get a graphical representation of what we are inserting on our system and how our tables are look like and what queries we are performing. For that we require a pgAdmin. So without wasting any time, let's start installation step. And it's very easy to install. I will also give the direct link to install both the software in the description box. Otherwise, it is very simple. Just go to the Google and type the software name. So let's start, and I will go to a Google, then I will write Postgre. So we will go, and then you have to go to the downloads. Whatever the operating system you guys have, you have to choose according to that the installation. So I have Windows. So then go to the download the installer, the first, and here the latest version is 17.5. But might be you are watching this video after some time. So whatever the latest version, you just need to download that. Just click on that and it will start downloading. But I have already downloaded this software, so I directly go to my download. Then I will start install. We have to start next, 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 next. So here you have to choose a password. I will choose 12345. Just keep in your mind, you need to remember this password. Otherwise, you need to reinstall the software, and it is just like you are going to waste your time, as well as you need to create again the database. So this is a default port number. You don't need to do anything. Just go next and keep it default. Say next, and it will start installing. So now we have already installed. Now we have already installed the software, so we are going to unclick this one because we don't need extra software. So we will click on finish. So now what we have to go next, we have to start with the pgAdmin. So with the pgAdmin again, we have to follow the same step. We go to Google's and we will type, but I have already downloaded this software. I will directly going to install it in my system. So similar you have to do. So I will agree with all the things. Next, next, I am not going to change anything default here. So it is creating. It will take some time. And meanwhile, I will just explain you. When you go to a Google and you just type here. So you will type here pgAdmin4. Then you have to go to our first link. Then you have to go to the latest version. So here is the latest version. You need to click on that one and you are able to install that. So that is the simplest process that you need to follow. And so okay, now we are finished our downloading concept. Now we will click on finish. So our both the softwares are downloaded. So what I have to do, we have to go to search. We have to type pgAdmin. So when we will type here pgAdmin, so you need to check. There is a one app. There is a some execution files. You need to select only the pgAdmin. This, then we go to server. So you can see it is coming SQL Server 17. Now you need to, we have to connect our SQL Server with it, and we have use password 12345. I will use the same one. Whatever you have used, you can use. Now you can see we have a database Postgre, but we don't have any database here because we have not created yet. So in the next video, I will start implementing database concept here. We will create a database, then we will create a tables. And before starting with that video, I will start with the SQL introduction. Again, it is the basic commands. What are the basic categories or types of it is command? then immediately we will start implementing the concept of database. Thank you so much, everyone.